It's your company, and the money is sitting right there in the business account. So you move some to yourself. A bond payment, school fees, a little breathing room. It feels completely harmless. To SARS, it's one of the biggest red flags there is. All of it runs through something called your director's loan account. In the next few minutes, what it actually is, the two taxes SARS uses to punish it, and exactly how to keep yours clean. So what is it? A director's loan account is simply a record of money moving between you and your company. Money that isn't a salary, isn't a dividend, and isn't a business expense. And it flows in two directions. Direction 1. You put your own money into the business, or you pay a company bill from your personal card. Now the company owes you. That's a credit balance. And it can pay you back, completely tax-free. Direction 2. You take money out that isn't salary or a dividend. The arrow flips, and now you owe the company. That's an overdrawn loan account, and that is the one that lands business owners in real trouble. And it's the most natural mistake in the world. You treat the company account like your own wallet. A little here, a little there. By year end, you owe the company 150,000 Rand, and you never even felt it leave. So here's why SARS hates it. An overdrawn loan account is the single easiest way to pull cash out of a company without paying a cent of pay or dividends tax. It looks like a loan, but it spends like a salary, and SARS sees straight through it. So they come at it with two weapons. The first, your loan is interest-free, and SARS treats free money as a benefit. The interest you should have paid, at the official rate, the repo rate plus 1%, gets added to your income and taxed. The second weapon is sharper. If you're a shareholder, SARS can decide that loan was never really a loan at all. It was a dividend in disguise, and they'll tax it at 20%, exactly as if you declared it properly. And it snowballs. Every year, the balance sits there. The deemed interest stacks up. The benefit gets taxed again, and the number you've been quietly ignoring turns into a tax bill with your name on it. This is the exact kind of thing that quietly wrecks a company's books. At Smartbook, we keep your books clean and your loan account reconciled every single month, so it never grows into a SARS problem. That's smartbookie.co.za, and the link is in the description. Now the good news, a director's loan account is perfectly legal and genuinely useful when you run it properly. So here's how to keep yours clean. Step 1. Know your balance. Reconcile every Rand you've drawn against every Rand you've put in. Step 2. Put a real loan agreement in writing. Set interest at the official rate and actually charge it. Step 3. Wherever you can, repay the loan before your financial year end, so there's nothing left for SARS to deem. Step 4. If you're taking money out to live on, do it the right way. As a salary through payroll, or a properly declared dividend with the tax paid up front. It will always cost you less than the penalties. And avoid the classic traps. No loan agreement, no interest charged, and the big one. I'll sort it out at year end. By year end, it's already a mess, and a SARS query is the worst possible time to discover it. A director's loan account isn't the enemy. Ignoring it is. Keep it clean, keep it documented, and it becomes a tool instead of a trap. Smartbook can handle the whole thing for you, with clean books every month. Visit smartbookie.co.za or email hello@smartbookie.co.za. And if this helped, subscribe. It's the smart move.